FlyFin for Business Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. FlyFin is an AI-powered tax preparation platform designed specifically for business owners and freelancers looking to streamline their tax processes. Tailored for small to mid-sized businesses, FlyFin leverages advanced machine learning to automate and optimize tax deductions, making it an ideal tool for entrepreneurs, independent contractors, and accounting professionals. One of its most powerful features is its ability to automatically track and categorize expenses using AI, ensuring no deductions are missed, which can be a game changer when tax season arrives. The platform also integrates seamlessly with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, allowing for real-time updates and a smooth flow of financial data between systems. FlyFin offers comprehensive tax filing services, including generating accurate tax reports, handling multi-state filings, and providing personalized recommendations based on your specific financial situation. Its intuitive dashboard presents a clear overview of your tax status, helping you stay organized and on top of your obligations. For businesses with multiple income streams or expenses, FlyFin provides a detailed breakdown to ensure maximum deductions are captured, saving you both time and money. However, FlyFin does have some limitations. While it excels at tax deductions, it may not be as robust when it comes to more complex financial scenarios or advanced tax strategies. Businesses with intricate tax needs, such as multinational operations or advanced corporate tax filings, may find FlyFin lacking in customization options. Additionally, its pricing model may not be the most cost-effective for businesses with lower revenue or those just starting out. Overall, FlyFin is an excellent solution for small to mid-sized businesses and freelancers looking to simplify their tax processes. Its AI-powered automation and user-friendly design make it easy to manage taxes and maximize deductions. For businesses with simpler tax needs, it's a highly efficient tool, though larger businesses may need more specialized services. Check the description for more details.